Trinidad and Tobago is a twin island sovereign state that is the southernmost nation in the Caribbean. Approximately 31,000 voyages pass within 25 nautical miles of Trinidad and Tobago each year, transiting the Panama Canal en route between the east coast of South America and the Pacific seaboard of the USA, between the west coast of South America and the Atlantic seaboard of the USA and Europe. The recent expansion of the Panama Canal will increase the already growing demand for ship repair and maintenance in the Caribbean region, which needs more shipyards capable of handling large vessels. The La Brea Dry Dock project is therefore poised to capture the South American and Panamanian shipping traffic, as well as the very common offshore platform activities in this region. Located in the Gulf of Paria, which is considered to be one of the best natural harbors on the Atlantic coast of the Americas, the proposed shipyard is ideal economically, logistically, and environmentally. The La Brea Dry Dock project will have 2 dry docks and 15 berths, occupying a total of 361 hectares. The first phase of the project includes 2 dry docks and 1 berth for maintenance and repair of vessels up to the new Panamax size and the offshore platforms. The project is impressive in its scale, with a number of construction objectives to be fulfilled, including 2 dry docks, a pier, dredging the navigation access channel, turning circle and berth basin, land reclamation, revetments, workshops, office buildings, a training center, accommodation, support facilities and utilities, and access roads. For Trinidad and Tobago, the La Brea Dry Dock project is projected to generate approximately $500 million for the economy annually, a direct addition of 2.4% to the annual GDP by the 4th year of operations. At the local level, the construction and operation of the dry dock at La Brea will lead to localization of companies in the industries that provide support services to the shipyard, including, but not limited to, the steel processing, paints and lubricants production, electromechanical equipment supplying. Likewise, the corresponding increase in demand for lodging, catering, medical, entertainment, and other services will definitely boost the local economy. Beyond the physical infrastructure, the La Brea Dry Dock project is set to galvanize the local economy by empowerment through training. The shipyard operator will cooperate with the local institutes like the University of Trinidad and Tobago to train local professionals and transfer technology to local partners in the shipbuilding and associated industries. During the 4-year construction phase, 3,500 direct and 5,700 indirect jobs will be created. The operational phase will see 3,700 direct and 13,000 indirect jobs created. Therefore, the dry dock project will become the backbone of the economy of La Brea and diversify the economy of Trinidad and Tobago.
The residents of La Brea are very excited for this project, as it will create a lot of opportunities for them as well as our stakeholders. The diversification of our economy is very important, and this world-class facility will provide an avenue to put Trinidad and Tobago and La Brea on the map. This project will employ our nationals, both skilled and semi-skilled, as well as earn valuable foreign exchange while diversifying our economy. The project is a very large project and involves the construction of a graving dock, which will handle the largest ships that transit our coastline. Some of these ocean-going ships are LNG carriers that also visit neighboring Point Fortin. The project involves the construction of the shipyard that will cost some US $500 million and will involve ship repairs, painting, logistics, changing of anodes, and repairs to LNG membrane tanks.
The La Brea Shipyard project is a perfect example of the sort of diversification we need. This project is encouraging because there's a commitment to use 40% local content. We'll create several opportunities for downstream industries such as safety company, hardware supplies, ship chandlering, and brokerage services, as well as warehouse storages.
In LaBrea, we have a lot of skilled labor. Labor such as construction, we have welders, fabricators, crane operators, which is a perfect fit for this industry. The project will bring to LaBrea opportunity for training, not just for the unskilled worker, but also for the skilled worker, because this is a new industry coming to LaBrea, and it will give the individuals who are already skilled an opportunity to market themselves at a greater standard. So it's a perfect opportunity for the people of LaBrea.
Trinidad and Tobago is geographically and strategically well positioned to be a global maritime player. There is an increasing demand for shipbuilding and ship repair services in Trinidad and Tobago. There are countless benefits to be derived from the shipbuilding and repair industry.
The ship repair industry has wonderful potential for providing large numbers of employment for both skilled and unskilled persons, as well as generating a substantial foreign exchange supply of currency from outside Trinidad. At least half of our business comes from ship owners that are not local. They pay US dollars, which of course greatly benefits the local economy. Most of our expenses, in fact all, are paid locally to local vendors, and so I think all the way around that the ship repair industry has a wonderful potential to contribute a substantial portion of the economy in the future.
Trinidad and Tobago can boast of having produced some of the best human resource personnel in the world. We have built numerous petrochemical plants with the finest safety records in the industry. We have produced oil and gas platforms that brave some of the most treacherous marine environments. We have and continue to develop our human resource skill bank that is currently in demand throughout the world. Of course, we have the ability to build a ship.
We have done all types of ships that come through this port in Trinidad. We do tugboats, both local and international, LNG carriers, methanol tankers, ammonia tankers, oil tankers, cruise ships, yachts. and any other different types of ships that come through this port.
There is definitely a need for the diversification of our economy from the traditional oil and gas. Trinidad and Tobago has lots of resources, human and physical, that is still waiting to be explored.
Yeah, skill-wise, there are ample supply of qualified welders and fabricators. I wanted to provide the opportunity for young persons to get an early start or otherwise to be exposed to the ship repair and shipping industry as a whole. And so I'm just philosophy-wise or otherwise, at least my personal ambition is to try to help young children get a start, and particularly with this industry that I'm so involved with. Not the least of which, of course, is the fact that ultimately, should some of these individuals stay with the industry, that we would have up and coming potential employees that would have a good basis to start with.